Welcome to Autoworld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing yet another beautiful example of 60s car culture in some of the most innovative cars of its time. And boy, this is an eyeful for me and one of my dream cars. So today we'll be previewing this car, showing you exactly what she has to offer and what you would expect to find when she arrives in your driveway. Super well optioned car, and everything works. At least all the buttons that I've touched have worked. Finished in black over black. It does have the 401 Nailhead, air conditioned, power windows, tilt wheel, power antenna, power steering, power brakes. And the body on this car, I'm sure you can see it, is absolutely stunning. You can see a little bit of weathering here on the corner of the bumper where the water would shed there, and this point here, and then again here. Very minor, but it is there. So we'll go through. Let's see what this lovely lady has to offer. Little hint of metallic. I don't know if it's showing properly in the video, but this does have a touch of metallic in the black. Nice and clean all the way down. Looks like there's a little spot right there. I just noticed that. I washed this car earlier today, and I just noticed that spot. So it's been upgraded to dual exhaust with aftermarket mufflers, and you'll hear that in just a moment. Again, a little bit of tarnishing on this bumper, license plate surround area. The rest of the rear bumpers do look nice. So this deck lid has, something has etched the paint over the years. I'm not exactly sure what is going on there, but that is something that we are waiting for the body shop to reach out to us to have it painted. It's straight, but almost as if the clear coat has let go or a chemical has gotten on it, but it's isolated to the deck lid. But that will be again repaired. The chrome and bright work on this car, very nice condition as well. This is not original paint. It has been repainted previously, and a fine job. So again, this car equipped with air conditioning, power windows, and all the power windows work, remote mirror, wood grain door panels. So this interior, quite rare. This is actually factory cloth interior. Most of these that I've ever seen, or all of them, with this one exception, were leather. They say less than 400 were produced. Prior owner claims that this is the original upholstery. Boy, if it is, I'd be shocked because it just looks absolutely brand new. So a couple magazines from 1962 for the introduction of this car. It's October Car Life from 1962, and also Motor Trend from October 62, featuring this car. Those will accompany this car as well. Squeaky, squeaky. All the stainless in very nice shape. If I can open this hood one-handed. Most people don't realize 63 had the flat Buick emblem, or 64. (1964) had the R elevated, the circle. Almost looks like a gunnery sight. There's the 401 Nailhead. Very nicely detailed under the hood. See the power steering, the air conditioning condenser here. Now we do have the original air breather. It's in the trunk. We'll get to that in a moment. What a lovely lady. We'll go around and go to the other side inside, and then we'll fire up. So these had a vacuum operated remote release here. Now I have not been able to get this to function. I'm not certain as to why. Original owner's manual. Some miscellaneous paperwork. AM/FM radio. It does make noise. The power antenna also functions. But I wasn't able to get any stations. I don't know why. Nicely detailed. The last 7 63, 64 Buick Rivieras that we've had here at Autoworld were white. So, to my surprise, we have a color other than white, and this black. I think if I were to buy one, this would be it. We'll go over here. Conway. This is where all of the pre-inspections and the sale of our late model cars happen. This is my 18th year at the dealership. And one of my favorites, clearly classic cars. Two-speed automatic transmission. As you can tell, easy on the wheel at 60 miles an hour. Wow, what a joy. Up here, we'll make a right, go through the gears one more time. This manufacturing plant on the right is actually Diamondback Classic Tires. They service white wall tires for classic cars, actually red lines as well. They're expanding, it's nice to see. This car stops beautifully. There we are, Autoworld of Conway, 1963 Buick Riviera, well-optioned coupe. Can you imagine this in your driveway? Well, I know I could. So here at Autoworld of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.